Hello everyone, welcome to ENA Environmental News Analysis. In this session on ENA, we are going to talk about mangrove forests. Why mangrove forests are in news? It's important. As there is a report in a particular study, it says that just in 30 years, these mangroves are going to be wiped out. So let's go ahead and understand how and why of it. It's important to understand that mangrove forests could disappear under rising sea levels by 2050. How? If the greenhouse gas emissions continue unabated. In the same way as it is growing, the emissions are increasing. If it keeps happening by 2050, then we will be losing our mangrove forests. So, examining sediment data from 78 mangrove ecosystems from the last 10,000 years, a team of researchers from Rutgers University, the State University of New Jersey, found that if the sea level rises by more than 6 millimeters, it's just 6 mm, that is 0.23 inches per year, what will happen? The mangroves would be in danger of dying just in 30 years to come. Now, they are more likely to survive when sea level is less than 5 millimeters of rise, that is about 0.2 inches per year, which is projected for low emissions scenarios for this particular century. So, these ecosystems, such as the world's largest mangrove delta, that is Sundarbans, spread across India and Bangladesh, are vital to storing planet-heating carbon dioxide, as you know. So, they act as buffers protecting coastlines from tropical storms and soil erosion. Apart from that, they are very rich in biodiversity, as you know, and they provide livelihoods to coastal communities as well. So, it's important that we understand the scientific statement. What do scientists have to say about it? So, they say that if they disappear, if these mangroves disappear, there is going to be imbalances in the number of fish and other species that rely on them. So it's not just the primary species, but the other species in the ecosystem that rely on these species will also face the issue. So losing mangroves would mean that there is even more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, because as we know, mangroves are there to fix the carbon dioxide, and if they are dying, it means we'll have more carbon dioxide, and even higher rate of sea level rise is expected because of this. So we are very worried of knock-on effect. Knock-on effect is what? It's a cumulative effect of losing mangroves and also at the same time losing those fish species and other species. There will be a higher sea level and we are going to lose the coastal areas. So that's important here. Now, at last, let's understand that what has happened in Amphan cyclone recently. So Sundarban has been deeply damaged by cyclone Amphan, which left a trail of destruction to life and property in West Bengal and Odisha last month. So what did we observe here? Around 1500 square kilometer of the mangrove forest area has suffered a massive damage during the cyclone. The nylon net fencing that was once set up to prevent the tigers and other wild animals from straying into the villages have also been damaged. And yet we don't have any confirmed reports of how many animals have been killed or how many habitats have been destroyed so far. So what is important here is that we must adhere to the Paris Agreement and control emissions. So what is Paris Agreement? Under 2015 Paris Agreement, the world agreed, they pledged to keep global warming well below 2 degrees Celsius, that is 3.6 Fahrenheit, above pre-industrial times, and to strive for lower limit with 1.5 degree Celsius. So that's all about ENA today. Please like and subscribe to our channel, The GeoEcologist, and you can also find us on Instagram by the name of The GeoEcologist. Stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you so much.